Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to insert multileaders in Autocad. To insert a multileader, you can click in this icon under dimension lines. I click first in the place where I want to have the arrowhead, then the second point of the leader, and finally I click for the leading line. Now I can type the text, and when I finish, I can click in any part of the workspace. Okay, here you have now a multileader, but as you see, the text is too small, and this means that we need to edit the multileaders. So, to do that, we are going to the tab Annotate, then we go to the Leader section, click in this icon here, and it opens the Multileader Style Manager. You can still access this menu from the Home tab. You click in this bar that says Annotation, click in the arrow of the Multileader, which is this one, and then in Multileader Style Manager. Now, to edit multileaders, we have to choose a style. It can be this one, Standard, and click in Modify. Now, the most important thing to edit is the size of the text. You can find it in the section Content, and if you go to the text height, you can see that it's only 5 mm. It's too small, so we are going to change it to 100, for example. Then I can go to Leader Format. I can also change the size of the arrowhead, and I will change it to 40. Then I click in OK and close. Okay, this is how a typical multileader looks like, and these are its different parts. In the next part, I will show you more options for the multileaders. I'm going to click in this arrow again, and now if I click in Add Leader, I will basically add another arrow for a label. So I select the multileader, and then I will click here to indicate it's also a door frame. Now I can press Escape. On the other hand, if I click here again and select Remove Leader, I'm going to pick my multileader, and then I select the leaders that I want to delete. For example, I click in this one. To delete it, just press Enter. Now imagine that we want to align all these leaders, and there is an option to do that. I go again here, select Align, then I select all the 4 multileaders, press Enter, and then I draw a horizontal line where I want them to be aligned. The place where I click for the first point will be the new position of my leftmost multileader, which is this one, corner. And the second point will be for the rightmost one. So here you have them all aligned. If I want them all vertically aligned, I just make a vertical line. For example, like this. How to move a multileader? If I select the multileader and I click in the first square over this letter, I can rotate the leader, but without changing the length of the landing line and the text. If I click in this kind of arrow here, I can extend the landing line. So, it was everything in this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Cat in Black to see the rest of the videos of Autocad. Also, if you need extra help, I can provide online private lessons for beginners. You can check more details in my channel page at the section About. Thank you very much, and till next time!